Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday, and we are moving to the new contract since the previous contract had expired. I had decreased the scale so that we can understand the supports and resistance in this contract. So if you see, the price started from 4,480 and it was a straight away gain, and now the price is trading at 4,920 or near that. So we could understand we are going to enter into this contract in a trend, or at the top of the trend, of the top of the uptrend. So there are possible chances that the price can show some correction, a drop down, and then a pullback. But today, if you see, the price is expected. What happened on last Friday? The price went near 4,900, and there was a drop, and then a bounce back, close near 4,875. Today, it's expected to open somewhere just above 4,880s and 90s. So still we are expecting the price to clear 4,910, this resistance, so that it can move towards 4,920 and even reach 5,000, the psychological zone. So the expectation for this contract is two things. One, whether this trend can pull itself to hit 5,000, or it's going to be a failure for the market. So still we expect that it's good for buying crude oil. Today also we are going to do the same thing, but we are not going to have a lavish stop loss. Let's have a stop around 4,850, maybe near the yesterday's or Friday's low, and let's see what's going to happen. Today we expect crude oil to stay in buying, so let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.